Today we'll be showing you how to pair your Opticon OPN2002 with an Android device that supports the Bluetooth serial port profile. Before you start, download the OpticonRL and Opticon software keyboard onto your device. Use the same steps you normally use to download and install an Android application. OpticonRL converts the Bluetooth serial port data coming into the Android device into keystrokes. The keyboard input appears at the cursor of any application that inputs keyboard data. Android devices that support the Bluetooth HID profile do this conversion automatically and don't require OpticonRL. To get started, let's set the OPN2002 into serial port mode. We'll need the OPN2002 Quick Start Guide to configure it. To set the OPN2002 into serial port mode, you press the large trigger key and scan the configuration barcode in the Quick Start Guide. You will see the red laser scanning across the barcode and hear the OPN2002 beep. Now set the OPN2002 pin code to an all-numeric pin code in preparation for pairing with the Android device. Again, we use the OPN2002 Quick Start Guide, and this time scan the barcode at the bottom of the page. Next, we need to enable Bluetooth on the Android device. I'm going to go into Menu, Settings, Wireless and Networks, and look for Bluetooth. If you see a green check mark, you're done. Otherwise, just tap where it says Bluetooth. Next, we need to enable the OpticonRL keyboard application. So I'm going to hit back, scroll down, find Language and Keyboard. Tap it, and you should see the OpticonRL soft keyboard. Again, just tap it, select OK, and when you see the green check mark, you're done. Hit back, back again, and we're right where we started. The next step is to make the OPN2002 discoverable so that it can be found by the Android device. To do that, you just hold down the small function key down here for 5 or 6 seconds. At the completion, the LED will begin to flash blue rather quickly and you'll hear a beep. Just like that. Put the device down because everything else we're doing now is on the Android. I'm going to press the menu key at the bottom of the screen, All Apps right here. Scroll down on the apps list until we find OpticonRL. In this case, I'm scrolling up, and there it is. It's a large button for a connected device. We're just going to tap that. There's no devices paired, so we'll scan for one. Wait just a moment for the OPN2002 to show up on the list. There it is. Tap it. Bluetooth pairing request right at the top of the screen. Drag that down. Pairing request. Tap it. And we know the pin code is 0000 because that's what that barcode on the Quick Start Guide sets for us. Tap OK. Beeps. And now that we're paired, the last step is just to activate the OpticonRL soft keyboard. You do that by opening any application that has a cursor. In this case, I'm just going to go to the Color Note application and tap it. Hit the plus at the top to create a new text field. You'll see I've got a blinking cursor here. If I just tap and hold where that blinking cursor is, I have an option to change the input method. And then I can choose between touch input, which is the default, and the OpticonRL soft keyboard. That's it. And now we're ready to scan. If you ever need to change out your Android device, you may first wish to unpair and disconnect your OPN2002. To do that, we're going into Bluetooth settings. To get there, I'm starting off at Menu, and then Settings. We look for Wireless and Networks, tap that. Find Bluetooth settings, and tap that. Down under Bluetooth devices, you'll see the OPN2002 listed. Simply tap and hold, and you'll get an option to unpair. When you select this, the OPN is going to blink blue rather quickly and beep at you again. It may take just a second. There it is. And now, we hold down the small button for 5 or 6 seconds on the OPN to go ahead and put it at rest. It would do this on its own after 2 minutes of waiting for the other device to pair with it. But that saves just a little bit of battery. And we're done. For more information, visit us on the web at www.opticonusa.com.